Hello guys, welcome in this new video. Today we're gonna talk about the if statement, so let's start. The if statement is used to execute an instruction only if a condition is true. So how we can use this if statement? Let's see on Eclipse. So if, so inside here I have to write my condition. So if a is equals to d, I will execute the condition inside these brackets. So here I can write I don't know, I can print something on the console, so I will print hello world. So the program will print hello world on the console only if this condition is true. Let's see. Okay. So the program has not printed hello world because 8 is not equal to 5. So let's now change 8 in 5. So now 5 is equal to 5, so it should print hello world in the console. Let's see. As you can see here, hello world because a is equal to d. We can also set an alternative condition if this didn't work. So for example, if a is not equal to d, else we can do something else. So for example, I can say if a is not equal to d, I can execute the instruction inside the else. So it's just an alternative to the if statement. So I can print not true, for example. Okay, there are too many brackets. I don't know why. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. So now if a is not equals to d, the program will not print hello world, but will print not true. So let's see. Let's start the program. So now it should be equals to this, so it print hello world. But if I change a value here, let's change for this time the d and not the a, just to change something. And if I change the d, now are not anymore equal, and it will print not true. Okay, so if this condition is true, we'll print this instruction. If this condition is not true, we'll go to the else and print the instruction inside the else. Okay, so this is basically what if else do. So I've now changed a little bit the if else statement to make you another example. So now we'll print option 1 if it's true, if this condition is true, or otherwise we will print not true. But what if we want to write more than one condition? So in this case we have just if this is not true, let's print the default that is else. But if we want to use other condition, what we can do? So we can use else if statement. So let's see how that's work. So else if, and exactly like the if, we can say else if this time a is less than d, will print in the console option 2. and we can do that a lot of times, so anytime we want. So we can just copy and paste this, so copy and paste, and this is another condition. So now we can say more than the, and if any of these condition will not be true, Java will execute the default condition, that is the else. But if one of these condition is true, Java will execute only the condition that is true. So let's check now in the console. Let's run the program. Just a sec, let me change this. Option 3, okay. So it's printing option 2 because A is less than D. Yes, 5 it's less than 6. Okay, so let's see together how the program works. So we start the program check this condition, so A is equal to D, no. Okay, so let's go to the next step. Else if A is less than D, A is less than D, 5 is less than 6, yes. So the program will execute this and stop all and just print on the console the result. If I write here, for example, more equal than D, the result is not true. That is the default result because the program checked this, it's not true. So go to the next step, check this, it's not true, go to the next step, check this, it's not true. So he will execute the default option. Okay, so I hope you have understand how the if else work. So if you don't have understand something, let me know here in the comments. Guys, this video end here. If you like my content, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. We will see in the next video.